Oke guys, oke. Coba lihat, kita latihan bagus sekali. Kita kerja keras sekali. Oke, ayo kita menang hari ini. Ayo.
Just one thing before the game. Even what's happening on the pitch, somebody make wrong pass or something like that, guys, push each other today. Okay. We don't win nothing if we shout each other. Okay? Push each other and go. Come on guys. Sebelum pertandingan, berdua, mulai. Dua, selesai.
Ganti baju. Ganti baju. The ball go outside. If you pass, Kasi can go to score the goal. Okay?
Focus a little bit.